Chapter 1. Preparation for milking. You should be correctly dressed for milking to include a parlour suit, Wellingtons and gloves, and always use a foot bath before entering the parlour. You need to rinse the machine before milking. Some farms may have an automatic washing system where the machine is washed and rinsed at a preset time before milking. The use of chlorine in the water will vary from farm to farm. Use only the manufacturer's recommended amount of chlorine and ensure the product is sourced from a reputable supplier. Proper intensive rinsing following the use of any detergent is crucial in avoiding contamination of milk with chemical residues. Always follow the manufacturer's recommendations on the amount of water to use for rinsing and the effective circulation time. Peracetic acid may also be used instead of chlorine in the final rinse water. If the milk has been collected since the previous milking, the bulk tank will need to be washed fully and always check that the drain valve is closed. The filter is then put in place. Filters are usually a disposable milk sock paper filter as shown here. Plastic or wire mesh or Diosan filters may also be used. It is recommended to use some form of filter that suits your size of plant. The jetters are removed and all valves and switches are put into the milking position. And finally, the milk pipe is inserted into the tank, taking care that any water has first cleared the line. Modern milking plants have air purge systems to clear the milk lines of excess water. Make ready the gates for the cows to enter, then bring the cows in from the paddock. The cows should be gathered together gently, observing for signs of heat and/or illness. The cows will progress into the yard at their own pace. It is important that stress on the cows is kept to a minimum. Stress can make existing disease conditions such as mastitis worse and can result in cows milking out slowly and becoming more agitated. This can result in a dirtier parlour by the end of milking. Cows need to be handled gently at all times. Agitated cows release adrenaline into the bloodstream, which limits or prevents the release of the hormone oxytocin. Oxytocin encourages effective milk letdown and better milking out. When the cows are not being fed in the parlour, a little encouragement may be required to get them in. Sticks, however, are unnecessary.